And the rough early lead is taken by Jungle Jingle from the outside, Port Angeles by the rail. And Big Boy Bito running in third, him Papa with Raining Jewel, and Kasilawan is trailing the group. It's Jungle Jingle leading the field, followed by entry number 2, Port Angeles. Running in second and in third is Big Boy Bito by the rail. Entry number 1, Raining Jewel, him Papawid, and Kasilawan. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Jungle Jingle, entering now by 3.5 lengths. It's Jungle Jingle leading the field, followed now by Raining Jewel. And Big Boy Bito on the outside, him Papawid, Port Angeles, and Kasilawan. And at the last bend for home, it is still entry number 5, and that is Jungle Jingle leading the field, followed by Raining Jewel on the inside. And on the outside, Big Boy Bito, him Papawid, and Kasilawan. And into the home stretch and nearing the playoff line, it's Jungle Jingle. And moving up now is entry number 1, Raining Jewel, him Papawid, moving up on the inside. And at the playoff line is going to be him Papawid, Raining Jewel, Big Boy Bito, Jungle Jingle, Kasilawan, and Port Angeles.
Okay, 61350